Nice to meet you. Fresh off the back of completing the Welsh Coastal Path. Very quick fire round of questions. Who moaned the most on your trip?
Definitely me.
Who fell over the most?
Definitely me.
Who ate the most cake?
Oh, I did. Most definitely me. Yeah, I like cake.
So when we talk about your favourite spots on the Welsh Coastal Path, Rhossili was one of them. Why is that?
Well, it's where it fell in the walk, really. And we just came over the top, and this whole stretch was absolutely brilliant. And just the golden sands, the sea was silvery. It was just so sublime, you know? Everything seemed to slot in, and that's the moment we decided that we were going to actually walk the whole way.
Rumour has it you grossly underestimated the length of the path.
We did. We really did no research in a way. Well, I sort of knew it went around Wales, but I didn't know how big Wales was, I guess. But it is 870 miles.
We started doing daily trips, walking a few miles initially, growing it to about 10, 15 miles as we got fitter.
I feel such optimism now about my capabilities to take on any challenge.
The main lesson is just get out there and do it, really.